Hi guys, this is a review of Victorinox Swisscard clone that I bought from priceangels.com. I paid $3.33 for it. Pretty satisfied for what I received for the money paid. It's in short, it's a decent little multi-tool. And let's take a quick look at the tools that it has. A tiny pin. Okay. Not sure what the people use them for, but whatever. Nail file. Feels decent. This thing at the top looks like it could be used to clean your nails. It's not, oops, sorry. It's not a screwdriver. Definitely. It's too thick and doesn't have the appropriate shape to be used that way. But you can try in emergency. Tweezers. Pretty decent. They feel good. I've tried to pick up, I don't know, paper or this toothpick with them. They're okay. So yeah, this is next tool, plastic toothpick. It works. It's made out of plastic, as I said. It bends, so it won't break in your mouth. But I can't imagine how one should be using this to actually break it inside of your mouth. Now what's next? Next is this, a tiny travel pen. It actually works and works pretty well. Let me show you that. Let's write test on it. Okay. See, no problems. Feels pretty smooth. I'm not sure how much ink it has inside of it, but anyway, it's not meant to be your main pen, so you shouldn't be too concerned about that. Now the next tool is knife. Now people expect that if it's Victorinox tool that then it should have a pretty decent knife. Apparently this is not the original Victorinox tool, so the knife came pretty dull out of the box. See, I'm sliding my fingers across it. No problems. It means I'm not cutting my fingers. Let me show you how it cuts paper. Okay. Yeah, well, it partly cuts and partly rips it apart. Now, what else? 3 inches ruler at the back, and at the top 7 centimeters ruler. Victorinox Swisscard Classic, Swiss made, face of the Chinese opera, supposedly. Build quality seems decent. I don't have my original Swisscard with me. It's somewhere around, but I can't find it, so I can't compare them side by side. Yeah. This one, scissors, I left as the last tool to talk about. Very, very good looking, at least in my opinion. Feel good. They feel good. Solid. And they are actually pretty good at cutting paper. They work. Now let me show you. Let's take the same sheet of paper. Now it's a big sheet, so yeah. No problems with cutting straight lines or trying to cut some shapes out with these scissors. They are, yeah, they are pretty sharp. Now what I also tried is to cut 2 layers of this paper, and they are also pretty good at it. See? Yep, they cut, and 4 layers as well. Now I'm not gonna try more because apparently they are not to be used in such ways. Yep, they cut decently. So overall, a decent tool for $3.30. One thing to notice is if you get this tool, make sure that when you insert the scissors back, they go like this with this loop up. Otherwise, they will get stuck in halfway and you will have problems getting them back out. Other than that, decent tool for the money paid. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, you're welcome to share them in the comments below. And yeah, I'll do my best to actually answer all your questions, either about the tool or about the review itself. So thanks for watching. Bye.